How to fix Threads reply control not saving preference. So to fix the Threads app not saving your reply control preference, the first thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Threads app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache and upload the app. If you are an Android device, go to your phone settings, go to apps and then find Threads, then go to its storage and then tap clear cache. But on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to your device's settings, then tap general. Now tap iPhone storage. Now find Threads from the list or tap on the search bar at the bottom and then type Threads. Now tap upload app, then to confirm tap upload app. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button here. Simply tap on it or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Threads app and reinstall it from there. Now the next thing what you can do is open the Threads app, then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, pause in the middle to open the app switcher and then swipe away the Threads app from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.